This is my Russian sewing machine with a rope for a belt. I put a thing here. I put a nail here through the end of the rope, so it's holding it together. Okay, so I got the treadle wheel down here. Now I can just start treadling. Let me see, is it going the right way? Nope, now it's going the right way. Well, okay, let me see if I can treadle. Gotta start the hand wheel. Start it going the right way. Reverse. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Forward. Reverse. 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 Forward. Treadling. Whoa. Reverse. Okay, well, I guess I'll have to try some sewing tomorrow. Okay, that's about it.